What's going on, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today's Tuesday. It is February 6, 2018. Welcome into the YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, thank you for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can check out all the great videos. Turn your notifications on next to the subscribe button, and you'll never miss whenever I post a new video or anytime that I go live, which is Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna give you guys a little wrap up of what we've sold in the first 6 days here of February as we start a new month. This is a short month, so I'm gonna do 6 days right now. And also, I apologize for this video going up really late. I'm not actually sure what time you guys will see it. Most of you will probably end up seeing it Wednesday morning, but I will have a second video on Wednesday, excuse me, to make up for the fact that this went up so late. I can't really get into a lot of details of why this video is so late, but I can tell you I was in a meeting and we got big things going on, exciting things, but of course I can't tell you guys because that's like social media something, right? Like you're supposed to do that on social media. Anyways, the only thing I can give you guys kind of a clue to is big screen. Anyways, let's jump into what's sold, and hopefully I'll have some updates and more news for you on the big meeting, big exciting things going on. You guys know how it goes. Let's check out the what's sold on eBay. All right, the first item is MMA Elite. Always buy MMA and mixed martial arts fighting clothing. This one sold best offer for $11. Older item, you could tell from the bamboo background, but I'm going to assume this was like a bin item for probably like $1, $1.50. We sold 2 sets of phones, and this one sold for $24, and the other one, these are both AT&T phone sets. The other one sold, or this one sold for $24, and this one sold for $21.50. We took a best offer on this one. This 2-set one sold for full price. The 24 after fees and shipping, the shipping was like $8.50 or $9 on this. Fees around $4, so it left about $11, and then on this one it left around like $8. The Coach tennis shoes sold for best offer of $32.50. That would leave the shipping. They went first class, so that left $28, less fees, about $24. BCBG, just a brand that we sell a lot. This sold full price, $12. It sold pretty quick too. This one wasn't up that long. Calvin Klein jeans took a best offer. They were up for $22.49. We took a best offer of $21. These are men's 36 straight legs. Of course, they were $6.90 to ship and about $5 in fees, so that left about $11, $10, $11 on those. Sometimes sports stuff still sells. We took a best offer of like $13 or $14. This is a Vinny LeCavier hockey jersey. He used to play for the Lightning. He doesn't play for the Lightning. In fact, I think he retired altogether. But even though the player doesn't play for the team anymore, their stuff will still sell, so make sure you take a look at it. This was a youth one. Salt Valley, full price on this one, $16.50. It's a Western Pearl Snap, and Salt Valley sells really well. You can get 15 to 18 on all these shirts. This is a medium. If it had been like a large, it would have probably went for 18 instead of $16.50. If it was an extra large or 2X, it would have went for like 22, 24. These are the last pair of pants from that big like 20-piece order that I bought. These sold for best offer of 18, and that would leave, they went first class, they slid in at like 14 ounces or something, so that would have left about $12. The Patagonia shirt sold pretty well, pretty quick. I think this was just listed like in the last few days. It sold full price, $24, and that left about 18 on it. We paid like around literally $1 for this. And then all the ties, we sold a bunch over the last few days, the last 3 days. This one was sold today. Cocktail collection tie, really abstract, colorful ones sell. This one did $8.25. Remember, all these ties have like anywhere from 10 to 50 cents in them at most. $8.25 on this one. Robert Talbot sold for $11.25. Tommy Hilfiger sold for $8.25. Jay Garcia sold for, I think we took a best offer on this one for like $12.50. The Donald Trump tie with the stain on it sold for $11.25. The striped Donald Trump shirt, these white ones don't do so well. This one sold for $20.25. The Tabasco tie sold for $10.50. Really great colors. And Looney Tunes sold for $10.50 as well. So we sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ties. Probably no more than a couple bucks total cost in them. Maybe even say $5. And they sold for a total of 21, 41, 51, 52.50. 62, 64, 75, 65, 83, 93, 94, 102, about $103, and we paid, you know, no more than $5-6 for all of them. So they do sit for a while, but when you get brands like Tabasco and Looney Tunes and Donald Trump and Jay Garcia, these are all the ones that I made a list of, and I'm going to put together a special thing for you guys on every brand of ties, what to look for, photos, the whole deal. I'm going to get that together, but ties can definitely make you some money. We probably made, what, lost $4 per tie, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ties. 32 off 105 leaves what, like $73? Am I doing the math right? Less the, you know, 5, 6 we paid for it. $60 profit on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So you're talking about, you know, $7 to $8 profit average. So pretty good look for ties if you spot them. Probably don't want to do what I do, listing hundreds of them, but if you happen to stumble upon one of these for $1 or $2 or less, scoop them up. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you don't miss anything. And I will see you next time.